spring water.
Yeah, that was really, it was so chill.
Yeah. It was good. I feel like something just taking it from nature makes you feel so like part of it.
Have you ever camped?
Yeah, I have camped a lot. But not like in a rainforest. I'm gonna...
Yeah, I camped in Ojai, which is...
Yeah.
Guys, we drank water from the spring. It was very good. It just felt refreshing. From the ground?
It was rolling off the rock like a faucet.
You get this. Oh, you don't make it bad. There we go. Yeah. Over here tripping about the damn water. The tap water.
But this is cleaner technically because the government puts stuff in it. There's no government in the forest. Oh well, there is, but still. There's no government in nature. There you go. This is cool. There's all the roots.
This looks like trash, but it's white leaves.
Dead leaves, yeah.